Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start with chapter 9, that is money. In this chapter we are going to learn how we can convert rupees into paise and paise into rupees. After that we are having addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of money. So this chapter is going to be super easy for you people because you people have already learned how we can convert bigger unit into smaller, and you know that how to add, subtract, multiply and divide decimal numbers. So let's start with the chapter. As you all know that we use money for buying things. We can buy items using coins and banknotes. We can also pay using checks or cards. So every country has its own currency, and our currency is rupees, and the symbol of rupees is this. You can see the symbol of rupees here. So here you can see we are having the pictures of some coins and our currency notes. Now as you all know that rupees 1 is equals to 100 paise. So our currency, the basic unit of our currency is rupees, and 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Paise is the sub-unit of rupee, right? We separate rupees and paise by a decimal point, and always use 2 digits to express paise. For example, 5 paise will be written as 0.05. Right, now just look at these examples. Here you can see 3 rupees and 20 paise will be written as rupees. First we'll write down the symbol of rupees, then 3.20. The whole number part will represent the bigger unit, that is rupees, and the decimal part will represent the smaller unit, that is paise. Now next example is 128 rupees and 5 paise, and it will be written as rupees. Symbol of rupees will be written first, then 128 point, now 5 paise, it will be written as 0.5 because we always use 2 digits to express paise. Now let's start with a few questions from your book exercise. We'll start with question 1 of exercise 9.1. Here a part of this question is 50 paise, and we have to write it in the form of rupees. So it will be written as rupees 0.50 because we are already having 2 digits for paise, so we'll write it as 0.50. Next is D part, that is equals to 15 rupees 73 paise, and it will be written as rupees 15.73. Then question number 3 is rewrite in rupees and paise. So here you can see we are having rupees 0.12. So in the whole number part we are having 0, so we are not having rupees. Here we are having only paise, so it will be written as 12 paise. Then rupees 178 and 39.39 will be written as 178 rupees and 39 paise. Right. So next we'll learn how we can convert rupees to paise. So rupees is the bigger unit and paise is the smaller unit. So for converting bigger to smaller, we multiply, BSM, right? We have done this in chapter 8. So for converting bigger to smaller, we multiply. Since 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa, so we'll multiply the amount in rupees by 100, right? So if we have to convert paise into rupees, that means if we have to convert smaller unit into bigger, in that case we have to divide. We'll divide it by 100, right? Now let's solve few questions from your book exercise again. So question number 4 is convert into rupees. We have to convert paise into rupees. So for that what we'll do, we'll divide. So here it is 5 paise. So 5 paise will be divided by 100 to convert it into rupees. So this will be written as rupees 0.05. Rupees 0.05. We'll put 2 digits in the decimal part, right? So it will be 0.05. Similarly, in next part we are having 1563 paise, 1563 paise, and it will be written as 1563 divided by 100. So we'll put decimal after 2 digits, so it will be rupees 15.63. So this way we can convert paise into rupees. Now in question number 5 we have to convert rupees into paise. And for converting rupees into paise, what we'll do? We'll multiply the amount in rupees by 100 and we'll get the paise. So 0.09 multiplied by 100 will be equals to 9 paise. So this way we can convert rupees into paise. Let's start with the next topic, and our next topic is addition and subtraction of money. For adding and subtracting money, what we'll do, we'll arrange the amount in columns. We'll write down rupees under rupees and paise under paise, the way we did in decimals, right? So here we have to add 105 rupees and 25 paisa, 219 rupees and 80 paisa, then 85 rupees and 76 paisa. Right. So after adding these three decimal numbers, we have got 410.81. So the sum of these given amounts is equals to rupees 410.81, or we can say 410 rupees and 81 paise. Similarly, we'll subtract this. Here we are having 190.35 and 89.50. So we have written these two amounts in columns. Now we'll subtract. So after subtraction we have got 100.85. So the difference of these two is equal to 100 rupees and 85 paisa. Right. So it's just like the addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. Next we are having multiplication and division of money. Again we'll multiply and divide it the way we multiply and divide decimal numbers, right? So here we have to multiply rupees 48.09 by 13. So we'll multiply these two numbers the way we multiply decimals. So after multiplying 4809 by 13, we have got 62517. So if we'll put the decimal, you can see we are having 2 digits in the decimal part. So we'll again put the decimal after 2 digit in the product. So our answer is 625.17, or we can say rupees 625 and 17 paise will be our answer. So in the same way we are going to divide. Here we are having rupees 905.95 and we have to divide this amount by 5. Again we have divided it the way we divide decimal numbers. So after division we have got 181.19. So it means we are having rupees 181 and 19 paise as our answer. Right. So I hope you people have understood. It's just like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal numbers, right? So that's all for this chapter. Thank you.